Hey guys, it's Paula. I am in my workshop right now working on a project and I just had to stop and show you what I'm doing. I'm using some new materials and I'm super excited about it, so I wanted to show you. And I don't know if any of you have heard of this, so I wanted to show you exactly what supplies I'm using here. So here's a few pieces that I have. Look at this. This is called Shibori silk, and it's basically pure silk that has been dyed with like ombre colors, and it's so beautiful, and every piece is so different. Look at that. And it's the process is kind of interesting. It's almost like doing tie-dye, and you make the pleats and you do it with the rubber bands, and then you dye the colors. But there's just something so unique about these pieces of ribbon. See, it goes from the blue to the green to the yellow and this gorgeous like burgundy color. So these are going to be really great for fall, and I'm so excited to work with this. And I'll show you one of the pieces I'm working on in a minute. So look, here's a nice bright green, like the lime green at the end, into the teal. Gorgeous, right? And I have a few different pieces that I'll show you here. Here's another one. Purple with this like champagne color in between. Just really fascinating how it is done. You can make this at home if you buy pieces of silk, but it's very, very expensive. And you know, your choices of dye colors are very limited for home dyeing. So I haven't ventured to that yet. I'm quite happy to buy pre-made stuff. So this is really, really cool. Look at this with the orange and the burgundy. So let me show you what I'm working on right now. This is a sneak peek for you guys. And I haven't shown anybody else what I've been doing. So here we go. Look at this. This is a bracelet I have been working on. If I can get an angle on the camera. Sorry, it's like my beading board is so busy with beads because I'm working on this piece that I have zero space to put anything right now. So I'll have to do a big cleanup later. So look, here is this piece I've been working on. And it's got gorgeous Austrian crystals. These are Rivolis. These circle crystals are Austrian. And I made this center cabochon myself. And look at the Shibori silk in the center. Isn't that fabulous? Now this, when I finish it, it's not quite done yet, is going to be a bangle. So I have these bangle blanks. See these? And these are great because these are adjustable. You can just squeeze them and they will fit to your wrist. No measurements required. So this is going to go around the bangle. So this is going to look pretty spectacular once I'm finished with it. Sorry, my lighting is not very good either because it's kind of dark where I am, but just have the overhead light. Anyway, but I think you get the general idea of what it's going to look like. Pretty cool, huh? Now this is beautiful fall colors that I've chosen for this one, and kind of elaborate. So it's kind of nice to go all out on this piece and just have fun with it. So there we go. That's what I'm working on right now, some Shibori pieces. I have another piece that I've also almost finished, but it's going to be a jacket pin. And I will save that for another video because I'm going to get on with this and finish this and get it trimmed up ready for the Ultra Suede, which is stage 2, which is going to take a lot of time to dry with the glue. So I'm going to go off and do that, and thanks so much. See you next time. So I wanted to show you the finished beaded piece. I've completely beaded the panel for the cuff. You see I finished off with the raspberry beads on either side. I've finished some small details here and there, especially on the ribbon. And the next stage for this is to adhere it to the cuff bangle. So I will be gluing it around like so. And then I will glue the ultra suede, which will be a black ultra suede that I have, to the underneath of the bangle. So you won't see any gold or brass at the bangle poking through. And then I will bead all the edges of those two fabrics together, so there'll be nothing else exposed, no raw edges or anything. So I just wanted to show you how I finished that. But I think it turned out really pretty. I'm really quite happy with this piece. And then I wanted to show you, while I was waiting to finish off this piece, I was also started another piece, which I was very excited about too. So I'm actually finished this piece completely. So here is a pendant I've made. I decided to do a vertical rectangle pendant, and I used the same Shibori silk that I used in the bangle. These are not necessarily to match, but I mean, they certainly have elements that match within the two pieces. I use the same raspberry beads down here, but I use the, this is a check glass cabochon. So I use that and then beat it around, and I use some tila beads in the center to match the green of the Shibori silk. So I turned it really pretty. And on the reverse, I did a hot pink ultra suede. So I thought that was kind of fun. So I just wanted to show you that piece too. I'm going to be making some other pendants later with the other silks, and because I got lots of different colors, so it'll be fun to play around with. So that's that. And then, oh, I wanted to show you, I have these pretty sort of like lilac beads that I'm going to be making maybe a bangle. We'll see how my direction goes on this piece, but I made these components, which I thought were really pretty, with the rivolis again. I've got a couple of those, and then I beaded around this rivoli, just a plain one. So I got two of those components, and then in my bag of Shibori, I'll show you, I have this kind of lavender silk that I'm going to be working with. So hopefully something pretty will come out of this. So we'll see, it might be another bangle, it might be a couple of pendants, maybe earrings, who knows? We'll find out as we go along. That's what I love about it. You just explore with the beads and let the beads direct the way sometimes. So that's what I'm working on right now. So I'll update you again with some more sneak peeks very soon. Stay tuned. Take care.